What is
Look at that little bunny.
What is the
Cow train.
so scared?
Oh,
You ready? Oh, it's on.
can I put my feet up? Is that allowed?
No.
I don't think so. Yeah, sure. No, I don't know. Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Here we go.
On
the cow
Drop
ride.
your phone.
Ready to go on the cow ride?
Yeah, drop it.
Moo, moo.
Put your phone down.
Moo,
I don't want you
moo.
to drop it.
We're gonna go so fast, my phone's gonna fly out of my hand. Moo. There goes our cow.
Okay.
A whole train of cows. How you doing back there, Dad? Moo.
Moo.
Well, off we go. Little turtle.
Woo.
I got paid something.
I hope my tire doesn't go flat.
We'll leave you back there. We'll come back for you.
Be a very bumpy ride. Back here by myself.
Oh boy.
Don't drop anything.
Bumpy.
Don't drop it. Don't you dare drop it.
That sounds like paintball. Whoa. Is it paintball?
That's paintball.
Hey, they're real cows. Moo. Yeah, babe, paintball. And cows. Did you see the cow? Mama cow, the baby cow. Did you see that?
Yeah, we're cows.
We are cows, aren't we?
I'm
Cattle crossing.
pet your horse.
You mean your cow?
Yeah. No, pet yours.
No. I'll pet mine.
So we went all the way over
Oh
there.
my gosh, it's catching up to us.
Oh, are they gonna win?
No, I don't.
Faster,
Oh,
cow,
yeah.
faster.
Catching up to us. Choo choo! Choo choo!
Oh my gosh. I think they're gonna pass us.
Catching up. Woo!
Oh man.
Yeah.
They go a little faster, you wave.
But this is the big one.
Yeah!
That's so scary.
A loud little toot toot. Because they move.
Let's pet. This is a pretty fun day. Thanks, Mom.
So fun, right?
I thought today would be pretty boring, but today's exciting. Thanks.
Yeah. Glad you're having fun. I told you it'd be lots of fun. All right. Boy, that was fun, huh? And dirty.
You see my back?
Are you dirty? Dirty back? Ooh, the corn maze. All right.
The minions are made of corn,
I know. Aren't those awesome?
and the colors right now to look like.
Yeah.
Look at that cow. He has some stats.
Yeah, he does. And it says what happens at the farm stays at the farm. That's funny. All right, let's go check out the playground. This way. All right, you lead the way.
Okay, you hold this.
Okay.
Can I go play?
Yeah. The big slide, Evalina. Whoa. okay. I just got kicked out. Just got kicked out of the house. Where'd she go? Evalina. She coming down?
Hope so.
Woo! Whoa! Came shooting out of that one.
I had to kind of lay down flat because it actually was kind of steep.
Oh, okay.
You
Well,
came
good
shooting
job.
out of there.
So you're going to go down this, Mama, you're going to go down that slide? Yeah.
Come on, you got it. Yay, woo! Good job, Mama.
You're gonna crawl your way? What?
Yeah.
All right, now
I don't know if
stand
this
up.
counts
Wait,
because Dad's
wait,
pushing
you
it.
gotta Stand up. I'm holding it. Stand up. You want
Evalina.
the wind's
Oh my
blowing,
gosh.
so it's easier to go that way.
Evalina should try walking in it, honey.
Can I try?
Give me.
Please. Now try standing up and doing that. There you go. Yep, push forward. Keep going. There you go. Push forward.
Stand up.
Go.
Stand up. Use
Stand
those
up.
feet,
Yep,
not your
there you
hands.
go. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Go, 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 go.
Now turn around.
Careful in the pole, Josh.
Keep going. Watch out. Now stand up. See if you can run. Run, run, run. Use those feet. Put your feet. Don't lean forward.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. It's a lot easier when you stand up. Right? Now, throw yourself.
It's like sliding. They're so funny.
It's funny. The other side.
Can you stand up and kind of run in that? Just like, think of what Princess does in her wheel. You run.
Stand all the way up, honey, and just run forward. Stand all the way up.
Love, look over there. Look over there. See how they're walking? I'm gonna try. Watch these kids right here. Look, see how they're walking? Dad, you want Dad to show you? Yeah, if you just walk, your feet are gonna push it. Exactly.
There's no torturing. It's just a different way to do it.
She's so wary of it.
Can I try? With you?
You got it.
Yeah, keep putting weight forward. Keep putting weight forward.
Yep. Feet, you got it.
Good job.
They get newer and then they get larger.
Here you go. You're getting it.
Look at you, honey. Run. Now try to run and see if you actually.
No,
Whoa.
I don't want to slip. And here's slippery.
If you slip, your tooth will come out. Boy, I'll just get a visit from the tooth fairy.
So the wind is blowing. It's getting a little harder. There you go.